Imagine yourself in this cheap 2019 Renegade Latitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, Colorado red clear coat, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, engine, 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR, STD, front-wheel drive and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.